Hi, my name is Jerome Ryan, and this is my explanation project for EDMU 524. What we're going to talk about now is forces in motion, and this explanation project is directed at 3rd and 4th grade students. Forces in motion. In the world, we have lots of forces and we have lots of motions. To make an object move, you have to apply a certain amount of force to it. Larger objects require a greater amount of force. Smaller size objects require less of an amount of force to move them. Can anybody give me any examples in their everyday life that they might think of where they've seen objects requiring a force to move those objects? Go ahead and think to yourselves and then talk to your neighbor and see what you can come up with. Okay, great. Well, welcome back. So now we're going to talk about and explain how we can put this into everyday life situations here and we can measure it. So if you look down here, I have 3 different objects, 3 different same size objects with 2 different weights. We have a little interruption here, but we're going to keep going. This one here, this object here, is the same size as the other objects, however it weighs less than the other objects. This object here weighs a little bit more than this one, and this one here weighs a great deal more. So I'm going to apply the same amount of force to each of these objects, and we're going to measure how far they go. Can you make any predictions about which object you think is going to go the furthest? Here we go. This is the smallest size object, and hopefully I'm not going to get hit by this car. Fine. Here I go to the smallest size object and apply a force to it.
Are you kidding me?
We're going to go again. Keep on filming.
Dad, stop.
Here you go. Is it going? Recording? Great. So we're going to apply that again here. Science doesn't always go according to plan. That's part of science. You have to adapt. You have to change things if it doesn't work out. That's why we do this. Next size object weighs a little bit more. That one only went to 4, and the first one went to 7. Let's see about this really heavy one. And that one only went to 3 feet. So as you see, different size objects and even the same size objects with different weights with the same force applied to them are going to move different distances. So I'd love it if you can think of different examples in your life where you see this applied and talk to your neighbors about that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.